All right, we're at Wild Rivers, Irvine, California. All these big slides. We're gonna try to go on all of these big slides today. I'm gonna have my nephew on some of them. He's gonna start taping first, and then I'll start taping. So let's see if we can do all the slides here in one day. It's a lot of slides. This is the toddlers park, and over there is the little kids park. It's really cool, the little kids one. I went down some of their slides and they're actually pretty cool for adults. Crazy. Then real quick, I don't want to waste too much time because this is going to be about the slides. We have the lazy river right here. So the lazy river goes all around in between everything. Here it is. And they just let all the people in.
We got pipeline. I'm gonna ride down this one.
You can step in if you would like. Okay. Or make sure the lighter person sits in front.
Let's see how they go. Okay, what? I gotta get in first.
Pipeline. The water's like a little colder than you want it to be. Just a little bit. Yes. Yes. Alright, you're all clear to go. Enjoy the slide.
That was a lot of fun. That was really fast.
Pipeline.
That was so fast.
That was so fun.
Screaming all the way down.
You wanna?
Here, stop it.
Did you hear
Wait,
her
Robbie's
screaming?
coming.
Tiki's Revenge.
Tiki's Revenge.
They were talking about. Crap. We didn't quite make it. Fiji Falls.
Alright, make sure to hold it up behind those things so you know someone will jump in better. Thank you. Ready to go. You're good.
A little kick to the head.
Just a little bit.
Fiji Falls.
Fiji Falls. Throwing serpent.
You guys, go safety rules.
Uh-huh.
Alright, yeah, you guys are good. Have fun.
Thank you.
Hope we don't go me.
Typhoon.
The line back a little bit.
Woo!
Alright. How's everyone doing? I'm doing amazing, thanks for asking. Oh, you know the safety rules, right? Yep. You know the number one safety rule at the front? It says, obey the ride attendants at all times. That's right. I believe that makes you in charge. I know. That's too much power for
What
me.
ride is this, Joe?
Anyways, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Typhoon.
Have fun.
Typhoon.
Oh! That was
Typhoon. All right, here's the next ride we're going on. It's called the Anaconda. Anaconda? Anaconda.
two. Sound good? Yep. All right, you're all set. Have fun.
Facing you backwards again!
Oh my god. Hold on, this is gonna be wild.
Uh-oh.
Someone went airborne. Thank you.
All right, this is the ride we just went on, all the way up there, and then we're gonna go on this one next. It's called the Boomerang. Not sure why, but we'll find out. No, it's a boomerang because you get boomeranged out.
Hold on.
I get worried about so.
Hold on.
Wait, let me hold on. Okay, I'm just holding on to one. Okay,
Go
push it
real
in.
high. There we go. Oh my god. Here we go. You went above it, right? See? Right.
All right, this is the next ride we're going on, Tortuga. Looks pretty wild and crazy. I guess it comes out down there. But anyways, we'll see you on the ride. Look at the view.
Good luck, have fun. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, I knew that was coming.
Uh-oh. Woohoo.
Thank you for taking the backwards on that.
Oh, you're welcome.
That was a mellow one. All right, we're gonna do the boomerang again, just in case. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're doing this ride again. We already did it once.
Oh, why am I always backwards? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hold on.
was fun! Okay.
Slow motion watching you.
How'd it look? How'd it look from your angle? That was a good one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went up by the dot. Oh, really? The highest? You heard it from the guy in the water. That was the highest one of the day.
That was so crazy. That drop when she goes.
All right, here we go on the Aquaconda. That's where the rafts come back up. And the Aquaconda goes down here, down and around. Anyways, that's the name of the ride.
Why always backwards?
You like it?
We're gonna go really high.
All right, the next ride we're going on is called the Racer. And it's right in front of me. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, it's the Racer, and that's the one we're going down. So here's what it looks like close up when you come out. It's got 2 turns and then you just come out just racing.
Really fun to ride without a man. Just sitting on your butt.
Here, let me catch behind you guys. See? Oh. Josh is getting in my way.
Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So that's it. We're right in front of the bar here, and the wave pool's behind that. But we went on all the rides at Wild Rivers in Irvine, California. So I hope you guys enjoyed it like I did. That was a lot of work because I did them straight in a row.
Well, that's one of the advantages to like holding back.
Anyways, there's the wave pool. I hope you can see it.
The only thing is if you get the laser right beside you, that's like
Irvine,
just ahead of you, then you're
California,
right.
Wild Rivers. Anyways, I don't know if I did that last one very good. I'll rewatch the footage and see if I should do it again. But here's the entrance for the lazy river, and then we got aqua cone. They got cones here, flavored ice cream cones or something. I don't know what that is. Anyways, I guess we're gonna go over to these ones. I can't do these because of my knee, but I'm gonna get Josh to do them. So maybe we got more.
Bombay Blasters. Bombay Blasters? Bombay Blasters. Yes, I do. Uh-huh. Oh, this one is dark. It is dark. Boy, that was the Bombay Blast.
All right, this is the end of the video. I think we hit every slide in the park, except for the little kid ones. And there's some really good little kid ones over there. Here's our cabana right here. We're in this cabana. And there's a lazy river right behind us. Anyways, those are more cabanas right there. There's the big slides right across the river there. And that's it. Yeah.